There are two more arrests which have been made in the NEET paper leak case. The arrests are from Bihar and Jharkhand, from Patna and Hazaribagh to be specific. The police sources are telling us that one of the accused allegedly stole the question paper of NEET and the other accused allegedly distributed it. The two accused, Pankaj Singh and Aditya, have engineering background, and as I said, that the arrests have in fact been made from Patna and Hazaribagh. So this is the latest coming in terms of the probe in the NEET paper leak case. Let me go across to my colleague Neeta Sharma for more on this. Neeta, so this once again points to the fact that so far the CBI seems to have zeroed in on most of the suspects from Bihar and Jharkhand. So is the agency at the moment thinking that the ambit of the investigation, and of course there's a probe going on in Maharashtra and Gujarat as well, but is it largely centered around Bihar and Jharkhand as far as their investigation in this case so far is concerned?
Absolutely. You know, as far as the leakage of the paper is concerned, CBI claims that the paper was leaked in Hazaribagh only. In fact, 9 sets of paper were initially they reached State Bank of India, that is in Hazaribagh, and from there they had to reach the centers. Out of 9, 2 reached OSS school, the seals of which were found open. That was the first clue on which the CBI was working, and based on that they arrested some people, and today the 2 more kingpins have been arrested in this case. First name is Pankaj Kumar, who is also known as Aditya. He is arrested from Patna. He is the key person who belongs to Bokaro. That means he is a native of Bokaro. Pankaj stole papers from NTA trunk, the same trunk which had reached OSS school, and then he tried to distribute it further. He is a NIT graduate from Jamshedpur of 2017 batch. The second person who has been arrested is Raju Singh. He was also assisting Pankaj Singh. So these 2 people have been arrested. You know, this is a bigger game plan as far as the CBI is concerned. The CBI claims that when they had interrogated these people, some arrests were also had taken place from Patna safe house. There they had also recovered some burnt papers. So that time they had also asked the coding of the papers if they matched those papers which had been leaked or which were allegedly leaked. That time EOW, which was initially investigating the case, Bihar EOW, that time they had asked NTA, but NTA that time remained silent. Then a meeting was chaired by the Union Home Secretary in North Block, where NTA admitted that the coding was the same. So obviously now the CBI is moving ahead with more arrests, and you know the entire chain of events is now falling in place. The second hearing of this case is on 18th of July, Tanima. So these arrests are going to be crucial when CBI presents its case before Supreme Court. Tanima?
There was, at least as far as the Bihar police's investigation was concerned, there was a lot said about the involvement of Solver gang behind this paper leak. So now that the CBI is also making these arrests, is there any sort of conclusive proof that it is limited to this particular gang that they're looking at? Are all the people who have been arrested so far in a way connected to each other, or are there smaller circles which are operating?
See, as far as now, this circle they have investigated, CBI and all is, investigating 7 to 8 cases. But as far as the nature of the investigation is concerned, this module in Hazaribagh is the one which had, leaked papers. But other cases which they have taken from other states, whether it's Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh or even Gujarat, those are the ones where people had paid money to someone to go and, write a paper for them. So there is a difference of nature as far as investigations are concerned. But as of now, CBI is saying in this case, the origin of the leak is now being, they are inching close towards that. But as of now, they are saying this paper was leaked from OSS school. But however, the still more investigations are still going ahead. Tanima?
Right. Neeta, stay with us. I'm also joined by my colleague Prabhakar. Prabhakar, what more do we know in terms of these arrests which have been made right now? Further arrests being made from Bihar and Jharkhand in a way shows that the paper leak quote-unquote scam seems to be centering around it. Okay, we seem to have lost the connection with Prabhakar there, but this is the latest that we are bringing in terms of the NEET paper leak case, where 2 further arrests have in fact been made.